sun is climbing slowly. I hold these moments closely, closely now. These waves hit a little harder. I know they're gonna carry me somewhere. Step into the open wide. Watch the future come alive.
Happy, pag malaki ka na, I know na marinig ko. I just want to let you know that we're happy na you came to our life. Pinag-pray ka namin and we're happy na may makakasama si Mia sa paglaki niya, kakampi. We'd like you to know na we'll do everything for you.
Hi Gabby, we're thankful and we're blessed that the Lord has given us chance na magkaroon ng son. Gagaya mo ngayon, kabinyag mo, and we welcome you in Christian world. And hopefully, sana ikaw mabait and masunurin. This event is a small thing to say as giving praise and thank you to Lord sa pagdating mo sa buhay namin. Hopefully, makita mo to as you grow up. And then you realize that how much we love you.
Hearts beat a little faster, looking for a light ahead that's waiting to be found. The streets get a little brighter, no borders left to keep us anymore.
Love you, Gabby!
Love you, Gabby.
This is our time.